Hey folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin here. Wait, 1 second. This is Wesley, billion dollar Virgin. Let's go! So I got another video here. And yes, I'm back in Florida here in Miami. And I'm going to show you in this video, basically how to make $200 per day, okay? I'm going to show you live. This is my laptop here. This is my media room, and I'm going to show you live how to do it for free. $100, okay? $100 per day, uploading free images, okay? Just basically uploading images, they pay you money, okay? For free, okay? Just uploading images for free. Now, listen, I get it. I know it sounds crazy, but it works, and I want you to pay attention. And I want you right now, okay, to get your computer like me, okay, and do it with me. Is that cool? Because I'm going to show you proof that you can make $100 per day just by uploading an image, okay? If you don't know who I am, my name is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, and I am a rich man. And I'm grateful and I'm happy because I get the opportunity to help people like you. Yeah, I'm talking about you, big head, right? I want to take you out of poverty. I want to take you from averageness to prosperity, okay? Go ahead and smash the like button if you believe that you deserve to be in prosperity. Well, if you pay attention in this video, this is a trick and a tip that I learned a week ago from somebody that's smarter than me. And now I'm going to teach you for free. You don't have to spend any money to do this. But if you pay attention, if you put in the work, you can do it as well, okay? Is that cool? All right, so let me turn my camera around here. Let's get it. So check it out. First thing you need to do is you need to go to google.com, okay? Go to google.com. Now, let me ask you guys a question. Do you like dogs or cats? All right? Are you a dog lover or a cat lover? Okay? Let's type in dogs. Because remember, on this site that I'm getting ready to show you, when you upload these images, they pay you per view. So every time someone just views the image, they don't have to download it. When they view it, you get paid money, okay? And I know it sounds crazy. I know some of you are skeptical. But listen, if you're skeptical, you're always going to be broke. You're always going to be the person that's left behind. Open your mind, big head. People are making money on the internet, and I'm trying to show you how. Smash the like button if you're ready to move now. Okay, you go to images like this. Now, understand this. What you need to do, look at those pretty dogs. Oh, my God. Oh, look at those cutie dogs. Oh, my God. Maybe I should buy me a dog. I'm not sure. Okay, listen. So what you want to do is you want to basically download these images here, okay? Listen close, please. I'm showing you how to make money. Now, listen, you're not going to be rich, but you will. You can make up to about $200 to $300 a day. I know somebody that's doing it right now. So that's the reason why. But the disclaimer is if you don't work it, if you don't actually put in the work based off of what I'm showing you in this video, then it's not going to work for you. Okay. So you want to download these images here, but you need to do this first. This is very important. Please pay attention. You need to go to tools. Okay. Is everybody with me? Usage rights, because you cannot copy a photo. Okay. You cannot copy a photo that is copyrighted. So you go to user rights. So you go to commercial and other licenses, okay? Is everybody with me? Smash the like button if you're with me right now. I want to make sure I talk slow and you understand everything that you're watching this video. It's not costing you any money, so give me a like for that because it's free, okay? I know people that charge money for this. Check it out. So you just download about 10 images, okay? Is everybody with me? And the great thing about this is worldwide. Smash the like button. Let's go! Worldwide, baby. I'm talking about Africa, Ghana, India. Doesn't matter. Your country can do this, okay? So what you do is you just copy about 10 to 20 images, right? Is everybody with me? Make sure you have commercial and other license checked, okay? That's important there. Then the site that you want to go to is click a snap, okay? ClickaSnap.com. So everybody with me here. I need everybody to type that in their browser right now. Listen, stop looking at my amazing view right now. I worked for this. Basically doing things like this. Okay, I have 10 to 15 companies online. These are automatic streams of revenue, and I'm going to show you how to put this on autopilot. If you just watch the video, stay with me, okay? I know some of you are eager right now. I know some of you have a huge, big old Kool-Aid smile on your face right now. Listen, focus, and watch what I'm doing here. Go to clickasnap.com. This is the world's largest free-to-use, paid-per-view platform, image sharing platform on the planet right now, okay? And I just gave it to you for free. So give me a like button right now. Let's go, okay? So you sign up for free. It's free to sign up. This is how it works, okay? They're going to pay you, listen, 15 cents per view. That means when you upload the images, listen please, when you upload the images, they're going to pay you every time someone view your image, they're going to pay you 15 cents. The minimum payout is $15. They have PayPal and other ways of getting the money. It's very simple, very easy. Newbies, beginners, if you're old, young, if you're not a technical person, anybody can do this, okay? I'm just showing you how to do it. You sign up for an account, and like I said before, you go to google.com, you get some images. Now, this is the trick here, okay? This is the trick to get more views faster, okay? Go ahead and smash that like button if I'm giving you massive value right now. Go to Marketplace, all right? This is the trick here. I'm going to give it to you for free because I love you, okay? You see where it says featured categories? Well, this is where you want to get all your images uploaded into these featured categories, okay? Why? Because they're featured, okay? Featured means these are popular. So that means you go to Google, you get about 10 to 20 animals, 10 to 20 coastal landscapes, nature, street photography, right? It's all on Google Images for free, and you upload it. Why? Because now your actual account is going to be more attractive, and you're going to be in all these different categories. So as people view the image, it's an opportunity for you to get paid. Does that make sense? Okay? Is everybody with me? Smash the like button or comment the word "let's go." And as a matter of fact, this is what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to give out some free money. I'm going to give out some free Cash Apps and some free Venmos. If you tag 10 people right now, just tag 10 people and share this and like it, I'm going to give out 5 different Cash Apps and Venmos right now, okay? So all you need to do, it doesn't matter if this is on YouTube, just put your Cash App below. If I comment under your comment here, and all you got to do is tag 10 people, just tag 10 random people. You can tag your brother, your mama, your enemy, your naysayer, your whatever. It doesn't matter, okay? But just tag 10 people. 5 people will win money from me today. While you're watching this video, I will comment and say you won. Put your Cash App, put your Venmo below, because I want to show you some love, okay? But honestly, now, this is easy to do. But I know what you're thinking. You might say, Wesley, I love you. You know, you might say, Wesley, I love you because you give so much value. But I'm not a technical person. You know, I don't know. You know, I don't know how to do that. I want to make sure I'm doing it right. So what I decided to do, and you know what? I'm going to be very transparent. I learned about this 7 days ago from this guy. He does about $500 a day, and he has a whole team that does this. And I said, hey, bro, do you mind if I take 10 people every single month, right? And they'll pay you basically to do it for them, which means this. You create the Click a Snap account, and what my guy is going to do is upload the images for you and make sure your account is attractable to start making money. Now listen, it's not guaranteed that you're going to make money, but we're going to set you up that it's a more opportunity for you to make money now. And he said, well, yes, Wesley, I'll do it, but it's $1,000. I said, bro, stop it. People don't have $1,000. Some people do, but give it to me in a more affordable way, right? And he likes Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. So I negotiated and it came down to $100. So $99 if you, now listen, you don't have to do this at all. But if you want me and my personal guy, he does this for a living. to do it for you, I'm going to leave an email address below and say, Wesley, set up my Click a Snap account for $99, okay? If you get an email from me, that means that you're in. But if you get an email, if you email me and I don't email you back, that means you're too late. You have to wait till next month. I'm only going to take 10 people per month. He's doing it as a courtesy to me because he shares my vision of helping people. He believes in service leads to greatness. So he wants to help people just like myself, okay? So I see you guys are sharing this video. I see you that you're liking this video as well and tagging 10 people because I'm going to give you money. And guess what? You can use the money that I'm going to give you to pay for the service, right? Does that make sense? See, this is the giving and reciprocity process. So listen, let me go back here. That's all you got to do. I'm going to leave an email address below if you want my guy to do it for you. Listen, we're going to set up your account. We're going to upload not 20 images, 100 images per category because we want to make sure that your account gets seen. That means, picture this. Every time someone view your video, that's 15 cents, 15 cents, 15 cents. That adds up. That is called passive income, okay? And we're going to set it up for you. Only 10 people. I will leave the email address below. It'll be right under this video. And if you're person number 11, I'm sorry, but you're too late. But let me go back here. Let me turn the camera around. But that's just how you do it. It's clickasnap.com. They pay you once you get up to 15 bucks. They're going to pay you out constantly. You can make a lot of money. In this particular video, up to 200 bucks per day doing this. And listen, if you don't work it, it won't work, which means don't be lazy, okay? You can do this yourself. It does take some work ethic, but think about this. Get in your media room, okay? Right? Look at your beautiful view. Maybe you don't have a view like this yet, but you will, okay? You will one day. And just start the process. You know, I can't stand when people say, oh, that doesn't work. It does work, stupid. This company has been around for years. Obviously, it works, but you have to work it. You got to have work ethic. Comment that below. You must have work ethic. If you want to be rich, you want to be successful, you have to work your butt off. I do, and I'm rich. Okay? Look at this. Show you one of my accounts. You see that? Let me do a refresh. Let's see how much money. Look at this. It's Monday, August 31st, and I'm not trying to brag and boast. I just want you to know who you're dealing with. It's 8/31, $2,000 so far today. $3,000 was yesterday. $3,000. Look at the date here. It's Monday, August 31st. I'm showing you that is real. Look at that's $1.2 million. Come on, folks. People are making money in their underwear, okay? I have so much money. It's crazy, right? All from the internet. The job is not going to make you rich. Right? Your 9-to-5 grind is not going to make you rich. Working at Walmart, working at freaking Burger King, working as a waiter or waitress, you're not going to get rich. You have to consume knowledge, okay? And what I'm going to do as a bonus under this video here, okay? Under this video, right here on my YouTube channel, once you subscribe because you want more videos, turn on your notifications and go ahead and smash the like button. I'm going to leave a video if you want to make $10,000 in 45 to 60 days flat. Now listen, to do that, don't click that link if you're lazy. Like if you're a BS and if you're lazy, do not click that link because it won't work for you. I only want to work with people who are serious about their success for themselves and for their family. I teach people every single day how to do this. I've made several people multimillionaires. I've made thousands of people $10,000 to $20,000 per month. I do this. Search me on Google and you'll see all things about me. I help a ton of people. And I want to share this with you before I let you go and before you smash the like button. You can do this. Okay? You can do this right now. All right? Yes, it takes work. Yes, in the beginning you might not be perfect at it, but if you stay consistent, if you believe in yourself, you see this view right here? This view is waiting for you. Imagine yourself. I know right now a lot of you are in a terrible situation in life, and I get it. I've been there too. I filed bankruptcy before. I lost cars. I lost homes. I lost people in my life. I lost friends, right? I've been in dark places in my life as well. But guess what? The light is at the end of the tunnel. I promise you. I'm nothing great. I'm just a young black kid from Houston, Texas. I grew up in the hood, not the hood, but in the hood. Parents made no more than $20,000 per year. we were pretty much broke. And now I'm here looking at the beach, right? Looking at the beach with my pretty toes. Let's go. So what I want you to do is get to work. Leave the video. Go to clickersnap.com right now. Start trying it. If you want me to do it for you, in the description below, I have an email address. Email me and say, Wesley, I want you and your guy to set up my ClickerSnap account. I want the $99 package. Once you email me, if you're the first 10, I only take 10 per month. I will email you back and say, let's get busy, period. I will take your payment and I will show you how to get here faster than other people. Understand this before I let you go. All millionaires have one thing in common. They all take massive action when they see something that feels right. They take action. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley Billion. Hold on. Let me turn this camera around. I got to look at you while I do this. Hold on. All right, folks, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Let's go. Later, folks.